Okay guys, so in this video we're going to be covering the gate that actually goes with things like palisade walls. So if I grab some palisade walls like so, and I grab a gate, oh, stretchy, you can see here that you've got like this sort of thing that you can do, like that, and or like that, which is actually the right way around. And then obviously you can go, oh, that looks really cool, and you can put towers next to it, and all sorts of crazies like that. And it's just this little section here that we're actually going to be dealing with. Now, you'll be making this if you have got the Northern Settlement box set. Okay, so it's not a separate thing that we do as a separate product. It's part of that larger set. And it's mostly on this sheet here, the main gate area, and you've got the Palisade Gate base here as well. But also, but in your Northern Settlement, you've also got a couple of these sheets which are for these lovely watchtowers. And from here, we are going to need this very large sort of horsey strut, as it were, like a great strut. And there's two of these sheets, you're going to need two of those, and you've got this little it's kind of like a small section of a palisade wall as well. So we're going to grab those bits, and that's what we're going to actually use to build the gate. So I'm going to pop off all the parts. Okay, so here are the parts here. You've got your two sides, your main piece, this little floor piece, which you'll notice is kind of jigsawed. And then we have got big horsey struts. I've got to pop that bit out. And we're going to use two of these L clips as well. You don't have to use the L clips because this will quite happily stand by itself and it will connect onto other areas. I always like to use these to kind of set the gate back or forward, depending on your taste. I just think it looks more prominent. Okay, so the first thing I guess to deal with is this main piece here. It's got a couple of half cuts in it which create the gate, like that. Okay, and you'll notice that it kind of leans back when you stand it up here, and these are off the floor a little bit. And that's because it's going to want to sit in these two little slots on here, like so. Before we do that, let's give this a little bit of extra stability in it. On there like that. Bump. And bump. Like so. Job done. And then what you've got these two little slots just here and here. And you can pop that so that it just kind of pushes into there like that, and there you go. This is your little gate area, as it were, as far as that bit's concerned. Now you've also, and that is it, just like that, if that's how you want to do it. You've also got these two great struts, horsey struts, and they can go in here, and you'll pop that through, drop that down. And you will pop this one in here, like so, and drop that down as well, if I can get it through the hole. And they will just fit through here like that. And that really gives you a nice kind of, if you're going to go this way, a nice kind of, you've got this nice thing going on here if you want your gate coming out, or vice versa. You can quite happily swap that round and have it so that it's like that. Now that's it. That's the gate. But why have we got this jigsaw piece here? Well, the idea is obviously if you've got our roads and rivers set, you can basically connect on a road onto here, and you can have one coming back out, and it just goes all the way through. If you've not got any of our roads, then I would basically just take these pieces off. so that you get that more kind of, you know, rugged, rather than a straight finish, more sort of rugged finish. And you might like that anyway, and then that gives you some extra little bits that you can use, you know, round the edge of a house or something, you know, one of your little settlement houses or something, and or you can use it with your road set separately if you've got those. Okay, so that in essence is the kind of Palisade Gatey thing, yeah, thingy. There you go.